What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Quick Chat in Honor of Kings. Now, to change Quick Chat here in Honor of Kings, you need to do a few things. First is first, you want to access your account for Honor of Kings. And you want to go and click on the load out button that you see at the bottom left of your screen. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go and click on the chat bubble that you see at the bottom right section of your screen. So usually it's going to have a lane icon that has a bubble on it, so you just need to press on it. It should give you the in-game quick chat. Now you want to go ahead and click on the change icon next to the pencil icon here in order for you to modify which build it is, like for farm lane, mid lane, clash lane here. And you could also use this on multiple heroes, so you could select multiple heroes here and click on use, and it will be used on multiple heroes. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on the pencil icon if you want to edit it. Click on the X icon if you want to remove that specific quick chat here, and you could just click on the chat here that you want to use or add. Like for example, let's go and choose this one. Click on add to add that specific chat, and once you've done that, go and click on confirm, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.